Namaste, myself Dr. Deepa. Today we are going to discuss about the herb called as giloy or Amrit Tinosporo cordifolio. So today's topic is this one. Actually the word Amrit is derived from its meaning is nectar. We all are knowing that what is the importance of nectar. So by using this medicine, this herb, we can get rid of diseases, or we can make a distance from the death. So it is this medicine is having that much importance. It is an antipyretic drug. So whenever we are getting fever or something, this medicine can be used. It is very effective in the degenerative changes in our body. It is a deepana. It's having the property of deepana. Deepana means increases the digestive fire in our body, and it also gives a strength to our body. It's having the rasayana property. What is this rasayana property? Our body is consisting of sapta dhatus. So by giving poshana to each dhatus, this medicine is very useful to our body. And like that only, it is a best drug for the diabetes patients. So for decreasing the diabetes in your body, you can use this Amrita Balli powder with mixing with amla powder and along with the turmeric powder. So we will get a result by using these powders for 2 to 3 months. Like that only, if you are having any burning sensation in your hands or feet or in your stomach due to this summer season, April-May month, this medicine is a very effective drug. And like that only, it is good for pitta jara or older fever which is long lasting from a so many time. It is very useful. So fever are of two types, mainly internally and externally. Internally means it is due to the ama conditions, so toxin related conditions, and externally means like dengue, covid or malaria and all. So in all these fevers, it is a very excellent type of drug. And many of the ladies are coming due to the white discharge or urinary tract infections and all. So it is a very good drug in these conditions also. We can use this Amrita Balli Churna with Muleti Churna, licorice powder. So it will give a good result in the patients. And it is a good medicine for the eyes also, for increasing the power of eyes and all. And every children are in the online classes only during this period, so it is very effective medicine for the prevention of eye disease and all. For eye disorders, we can take this giloy powder with amla churna, and it is this giloy is having the sangrani property. It can help us in the malabsorption syndrome disease and all. For the intestinal problems and all, it is a very good drug. Mainly it is a tridosha nashaka medicine. So if you are having any vata disorders, we can use this amrita balli powder with ghee. And if you are having any pittaja disorders, we can use this powder with the misri and all. And if you are having any kaphaja disorders, you can use this powder with the honey. And if you're having any constipation and all, we can use this powder with good combination with the jaggery you can use. And the patient is suffering from any seasonal type of allergies and all, or any seasonal type of respiratory infections, then the patient can use this powder with trikatu churnam, honey and turmeric. This will make a good great combination in many of my patients. Like that only, if you are having any pimples, or it can be used as anti-aging and wrinkle free skin also. So you can use this with the aloe vera and aloe vera pulp. You can mix this powder and you can apply in your face. You will get a great result by this combination. Like that only, for RA patients, rheumatoid arthritis patients, for them we can give this powder with the dry ginger powder. It will give good results in the the RA patients also. It is balya. Balya means which gives strength for our body, and it is amahara, which can decrease the toxins in our body, and dahahara. Dahahara means mainly pittaja situation, so it can also reduce that situation also. We can be used in the Panduroga anemia, for anemia conditions also, because this giloy consists of mainly calcium, phosphorus, iron, zinc, magnesium, and etc., copper, etc. So this contains many of these minerals, so it is very good for this COVID situation also. It is a good herb for the stress or anxiety related diseases also. You can choose the adjuvants with this, any brahmi or any medicines and all you can choose with this, or you can make any combinations with any some of the other drugs which help us to decrease the stress and anxiety. Like that only, for immunity also it will be great medicine. And for stomach related acidity, vomiting, or some issues with the stomach, you can take this medicine. Like that only, for skin also, if you are having any problem like eczema, psoriasis, dryness in the skin, or any problems, for the skin glowing also, this can be used with the correct combination of other medicines also. Like that only, for heart related problems also, this medicine is used with Arjuna Arishta and all. It will give a great result. Like that, for Shwasa, Kasa, for breathing problems or respiratory problems or cough or any bronchial allergy conditions, this medicine is good one. Like that only, for liver related problems, many of our people are having liver related problems or typhoid, etc. So for the liver health also, this medicine is a really makes very wonderful results in our patients. Like that, if you're having motion, a mucus in your motion, or any piles related, or any fissure related issues, you can use this medicine. Like that, it is also having an aphrodisiac property. So when while taking by the pregnant ladies or any feeding mothers, they should take care, and they should talk to their Ayurvedic doctors, and due to they can take or not, or whether it is suitable for this climate and all, whether they can take or not, they can ask with their Ayurvedic doctors before taking the medicine. And in which all forms we are getting this medicine? We are getting in powder form, decoction form. You can prepare a decoction, simple decoction, with 2 glasses of water and 1 teaspoon of guduchi powder, half to 1 teaspoon of powder, and make that 1 glass boiling water to 2 glass boiling water to 1 glass boiling water, and you can consume it. Okay, so next is you are getting giloy juice also in the market nowadays. And like that, Amrita Arishtam is there, yeah, Guluche the Koth is there, many tablet and capsule forms also it is available nowadays in our markets. So these are the details about the Guluchi or giloy. So if you are having any suggestions or any doubts, you can put in the comment section. So if you're feeling that this video is useful, you can share. Thank you very much.